Hi children, welcome once again. This is your online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Hope all are enjoying the revision classes and studying well. We have completed our first revision test. Today we will do the second revision test. For the lesson? Yes, lesson 3. What is our lesson 3? Yes, air, water and weather. Hope all of you have studied well. Are you ready? Then take your notebook, open it. Children, for the last revision test, many of you made careless mistakes. This time, be careful while writing the answers. Read the question carefully, then write the answer. If you have any doubt in the question, you can ask your parents. Okay, clear your doubt and write the answer. Let's start.
Revision Test 2 and the date 3/8/2020. First you have choose the correct options. Children, you have to write only answers along with the correct question number. Okay. Our first question is dash is used by plants to make food. You have two options, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Which is the correct one? Choose and write. Your time starts now. Second question. The process of changing water into water vapor is known as dash. You have two options again, evaporation and freezing. Choose and write. Your time starts now. Third question. The days are long and warm during dash. Your options? Summer or winter. Your time starts now. Next you have very interesting set of questions. They are identify the pictures. Yes, fourth question, name the form of water. You have to identify which form of water is this from the picture and write down. Your time starts now. Fifth question, repeated change of water. What is repeated change of water is known as? Identify from the picture and write down. Your time starts now. Then the sixth question, name the season. Which season is this? Yes, identify and write down. Your time starts now. Next you have name the following. Children, read the question carefully and write the answer. Seventh question, the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. Your time starts now. Eighth question, the gentle wind is known as? Your time starts now. The ninth question. Any two things present in air. It carries 2 marks. Your time starts now.
Children, hope all of you can write the second revision test very well. Then what is the next step? Yes, take the photo and send it to me through mail. I mentioned the mail ID in the description box. You have to check that. Then study lesson 4 for the next class. Let's conclude today's session. Children, we'll see you in our next class. Take care and goodbye.